Wala mga damang putsura ko. Here, $10.
O, benta mo doon para may $10 ka.
Ayun.
Pwede mo bang iuwi to? Pwede. Magbili
Kaya
ka
nga,
ng
andun yung
tangkay.
pinutol ko na yung nasa looban na. Wag mo na lang yun. Ilalag ko sa ano ko.
Tumutubo na. Tumutubo na yun eh. Hindi mo nakita?
Oo nga eh. Hi, hi there. Here. We're getting the moringa leaves. We're gonna dry it. So when I cook fish there, I will put this one on my mongo beans. This one is very expensive there. Papeg, ang dilig ka. Lagyan na ni Manong Pregan. Makain na naman yun. This is my moringa. This is my moringa. Ay! This is my moringa, guys. Two, three, six, seven, eight, nine. See, this is already set $10. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is already $10. The moringa or more. This is my moringa. I'm gonna dry it. See, I have a lot now. I'm gonna dry it. And then I'm gonna put on my Ziploc. My moringa.